Once upon a time there was an old and beautiful Estonian town called Narva. Narva is the town on the Narva River on the Estonian-Russian border. Its superb location between the west and the east has caused the town many troubles throughout its history. The forefathers of the Estonians settled in the area during 5th to 4th millennium BC, as witnessed by the traces of the Narva culture, named so after the city. The settlement was first mentioned in one of the first Russian chronicles in 1171. The whole earlier history of Narva is filled with all kinds of tension across the border. Only when both banks of the river were under Swedish crown, till the 17th century, and under Estonia between the two world wars, was the area more prosperous and peaceful. The Swedish rule in Estonia turned the old town into a beautiful Baroque town. During the World War II, Narva had the unfortunate fate of being a German-held town relatively close to the front line. It had two important bridges as well that only increased the strategic importance of the town: the road wooden bridge and the railway bridge. This meant that of all Estonian towns, Narva was to receive the greatest number of attacks, both by the ground and from the air. Stan Carling writes in 1936 in the foreword to his study of Old Narva,
"One can rarely find a cityscape of such expressive historical reality like it is here. Upon seeing the old town, high over the river with its red roofs, church steeples, the tower of the town hall, framed by the gloomy walls of both castles, in the powerful juxtaposition of the east and the west, still hovering over another, lingers the magic shimmer of heroic deeds, and the historic fate, and hardly it will ever disappear." And hardly it will ever disappear.
From July 1941 to July 1944, the town was bombed in total over 37 times by the Soviets. 25 of those Soviet attacks hit the town when the civil population was still there. The standpoint of the Soviet and the modern Russian propaganda is very simple. The destruction was claimed to be either caused by the Nazi Germany or used less and mostly in scientific history books by the combat activity during the so-called liberation of Estonia, which ended up with 50 years of Soviet occupation. It is a story of one of the most exclusive architectural pearls which has ever been built to Estonia, a town which disappeared from the map in the summer of 1944. It is a story of another Dresden, which people, historical buildings, and future was taken away by the brutality and aggression of the Soviet Union. Narva became a closed city for the Estonians till the end of the Russian occupation. This is the main reason why the official percentage of ethnic Estonians in the town is no greater than 4% in 2007. It is a new town with different people. Nevertheless, the old town lives on in Estonians' memory.